my name is Tresha B. Mutayano from Grade 10 Edison. Today we will discuss the two types of crust, the movements of the three types of plates boundaries, and the processes and the geologic events that happen in these plates boundaries. These are the convergent, oceanic continental plates, two continental plates, two oceanic plates, divergent, and transform fault. Are you guys excited? So come on and join me in this lesson. Let us first identify and describe the two types of crust. Earth's crust is divided into two types, the oceanic crust and the continental crust. The transition zone between these two types of the crust is sometimes called the Conrad discontinuity. Silicates are the most abundant rocks and minerals in both oceanic and continental crust. Let's proceed to the movements of the three types of plates boundaries. The movements of plates creates three tectonic boundaries. Convergent. Convergent is when two plates move into one another. Divergent is where plates move apart from each other. Transform plates boundaries is that they move sideways from each other. They move at a rate of 1 to 2 inches or 3 to 5 centimeters per year. Now that we already have knowledge about the two types of crust and the movements of the three types of plate boundaries, let's move on to the processes and the geologic events that occur in these plate boundaries. The geologic events that occurred in convergent boundaries includes earthquakes, volcanic activities, mountain formation, and subduction. In oceanic continental plates, when continental and oceanic plates collide, the thinner and more dense oceanic plates is overridden by the thicker and less dense continental plate. The oceanic plate is forced down into a mantle in a process known as subduction. As the oceanic plates descend, it is forced into higher temperature environments. While in two oceanic plates, subduction zones occur when one or both of the tectonic plates are composed of oceanic crust. The denser plate is subducted underneath the less dense plate. The plate being forced under is eventually melted and destroyed. Island arcs and oceanic trenches occur when both of the plates are made of oceanic crust. What geological event would occur when two continental plates collide? If two tectonic plates collide, they form a convergent plate boundary. Usually, one of the converging plates will move beneath the other, a process known as subduction. Deep trenches are features often formed when tectonic plates are being subducted and earthquakes are common. In divergent, earthquakes are common, and magma rises from Earth's mantle to the surface, solidifying to create a new oceanic crust. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is an example of divergent plate boundaries. The grinding action between the plates at a transform plate boundary results in a shallow earthquakes, large lateral displacement of rocks, and a broad zone of crustal deformation. Perhaps, nowhere on Earth is such a landscape, more dramatically displayed than along the San Andreas Fault in Western California. In short, earthquakes, volcanic activities, mountain buildings, and oceanic trench formation occur along the boundaries, in zones that will be anything from few kilometers to few hundred kilometers wide. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for listening. Bye!